Your vacuum cleaner won't help in these circumstances. In the home, the vacuum cleaner plays a significant function. We frequently employ this tool for a range of cleaning duties. Although using a vacuum cleaner to remove dust and grime is fairly simple, you shouldn't use it for everything. For these jobs, you should keep the vacuum cleaner in its storage cabinet. 1. Broken glass. Is there broken glass all over the place after you dropped a glass or vase? Grab your vacuum sparingly because the glass fragments could harm it. For instance, if the vacuum bag tears, you'll have to clean up an even bigger mess. Glass has the potential to damage the vacuum's interior and perhaps become lodged in the hose. The best course of action in this situation is to gently pick up the larger bits of glass and use a slice of bread to clear up the smaller fragments. Place a slice of bread on top of the tiny glass fragments and lightly press. As the shards will adhere to the bread, you can safely clean it up. To ensure that the glass sticks to the bread even more, you can wet it. 2. Moist things. It's very simple to swiftly clean up the entire floor after carrying out odd activities around the house and utilizing your vacuum cleaner. You still vacuum over any areas of the floor that may have gotten a bit moist from time to time. However, you might want to refrain from doing this going forward. Mold may grow in your vacuum cleaner if moisture enters the device. Additionally, moisture can make your vacuum cease functioning. Therefore, the next time you have a dirty floor to clean, make sure it is entirely dry before you start. 3. Makeup. You might be tempted to pick up the vacuum and clean the floor if you unintentionally spill some makeup powder on it. You shouldn't clean makeup with your vacuum depending on the type of makeup and whether the floor is carpeted. This is due to the vacuum occasionally spreading makeup rather than sucking it up. Additionally, different products, including as foundation and eyeshadow, can virtually melt together and cause a blockage in your vacuum. The majority of it would be far better off being picked up off the floor, and the remainder could be cleaned with the aid of some baking soda. You could try this tactic as well. 4. A lot of hair. A few hairs that have landed on the carpet or on the floor can easily be vacuumed up. However, sweeping them up is preferable if you need to remove a lot of hair at once, such as if you cut your own hair. Your vacuum's brush may become tangled with hair, making it difficult for you to use it afterwards. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like.